It's okay, no worries. I'm going to tag you. I'm not asking you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I welcome. Cool. Cool. So this is completely real time. Okay. I don't teach like definitions. Okay. It means like not definitions. Okay. Simply, I will show the real time work. Okay. Not the definitions or not everything. Okay. So bank, real time bank data and bank domain, and we have retail, healthcare, and power and business requirement project. Everything, every project I will share. But we work present.
Okay.
We are working on bank domain. Okay,
Okay.
and complete a data engineering training. Data engineering training. So we take large tables like in single table, we're going to have the more than 20 lakhs records. Okay. And one table having more than 450 columns. Okay. Environments, layers, everything we're going to create. Okay. Not like usual
Okay.
class in Udemy, or not like classroom or simple classes, completely real time project oriented. If you go to office, how you do the work, like that I'm going to teach you. My classes will take the time. It won't finish within say month or 45 days, even sometimes 2 months. It will take the time. Okay, we go with theory, okay, and practical and real time use cases, okay, and challenges, okay, and then interview point of. So this is I created one structure like that. To point of view, I will teach this. Okay, and first we need to know about SQL. So that here we can call SnowSQL. Okay, SnowSQL. Then Snowflake, then AWS 3, and the DBT. So these are the so this fees is like 25K. Then if you want to get in more opportunities, you need to go with it Airflow and modern data vault. Okay, I'm the corporate mentor. I'm the first person. Okay, who taught data vault, modern data vault 2.0. Okay. So, and also DBT also, I am only started in India. As of my knowledge, I'm telling, maybe others, but as of my knowledge, in DBT, I started first in India, and as well as modern data vault, I'm going to start. I started first in. I'm going to start first in this batch, current batch, morning and evening. Okay. So
Okay.
I provide
So in that airflow and modern data is like there is another fees or in between this.
no, this one is like 25K. This is advanced level 15K from modern data world 2 different. And with
Okay.
this comes like uh, blob storage, okay, blob storage, and then GCS and need Python basic knowledge, Python basic large. Okay,
Okay.
so that are. And I will share previous recordings. I have Snowflake only do it previous and advanced SQL. I do not have these. I'm not sharing because of so nobody teaching right now, right? So I'm started, right? So that's why. So previous recordings you will get, okay, and current, okay. In future also you will get if you need, okay. And I have given many interviews like I done that plus interviews. Okay. So I have one script. Okay. Script means like questions and answers. Okay. So if you go attend interview, they going or any question from this script only. They don't ask any question without the script. Okay. From the script only we're going to get everything, even self, everything. And I also prepared answer with my words. So you need to go with only that answer, because of if we know the, if you tell answer like definition, that is not way of telling like experienced person. Okay, I have my answer is what I have written in that notebook. It is related with the project about your resume. Okay, bank, healthcare, retail or insurance.
Okay.
Okay, so you need to go with only the answer. Okay, if you want immediate job, one it will take 1 month time. So I will explain first. The first step
So
is
the time period of 1 month of
no,
Snowflake.
no. In 1 month you will get job with my plan. Okay,
Okay.
now training will not come complete within the 1 month, but I will tell the process. First step is go with script. Okay, then
Okay.
second step is okay, go with the take mark. Okay, third step is like resume. I will prepare. Fourth, okay, interview. Okay, fifth,
Okay.
like offer. Okay, then sixth one is like I have videos, right? Those are from those you can get, you can do work yourself. No need to take up support again at my place. Just go with videos. Okay, I have script, practical script, implementation script, practical implementations. Okay, so practice it 1 month. After getting after you're going to have 1 month time, right? So in that 1 month, okay, go with videos, do practically, watch the video, do practically while watching the video. Okay, implement everything. Okay, then you will get real time work. Okay, so this if you follow these 6 steps, okay, you will get job. And first you're going to learn Snowflake and DBT these skills. Or if you want to learn, you can go with okay these skills. First learn these skills. After that, what you do? So after that, there is 1 lakh. Uh, so there is one other program. Okay, learn,
Yes, yes, I already check it.
yeah, learn Snowflake Cortex AI. Because of, if there is any layoff, if you know about Snowflake Cortex AI, you are not in the list of layoffs. Okay, it is generative AI. So inside the Snowflake. Generating AI, like okay, we have a
Okay.
generate the new technologies, right? So related to the AI, data science. So we need to go Snowflake Cortex. Then only we can survive in the future, or it will difficult to survive. So these after learning this, just update with the AI tools. That's it. So you can survive lifelong. Okay, and one more thing, you will get support until you get the job. That is my, you are working already, you want to you want to change the company, or if you want to go to project in your company, my responsibility until you you what you want to place, that place you reach. Okay, and if you have any doubts, and you can ping me anytime. Yes, but the doubt I will ping answer in the mobile, or I will explain in the call, or I will connect in the Zoom, or you can ask in the class. That is the best thing. Okay, so this is completely how I'm going to okay give and explain about everything. Okay, and must everything is here we doing like good and real time. Okay, you will get lifelong support from my side. So this is Rutuja.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, you have any doubts?
Okay. The timing is only the 6 p.m. or morning 7 p.m., right?
Morning, I'm going to change to
Like
5 a.m.
currently time, like, yeah.
Morning, I'm going to try to change to 5 a.m. because of after 6 a.m. I'm going to out due to some elections. I'm supporting my brother here in Hyderabad.